Careful with that edge. These lion hides are incredibly valuable. Get the forklift over here.
Careful with the texture on that one. Send the next batch down.
Watch the splash zone. Easy now, push it under. All right, clear the hook.
See the consistency and the luster under the lamp.
Yes, it's flawless. Ready for the stamp.
This section has a slight variation in the grain texture.
Agreed. We'll classify this hide as a grade A- due to that imperfection.
Scan complete. Density levels are optimal. Confirmed. The pliability rating is excellent. We can send this batch to fabrication.